how you manually unsubscribe or opt out a contact within Keap Pro. Now, it should be simple. It should be on a contact record. I've submitted a ticket so that functionality becomes available. However, where you go to do it is in reports, and then scroll down to the bottom, and we're looking for the email engagement tracker, because in email engagement tracker, we've got here, it's the confirmation of the status. So I go into here, and then if you've already done a search, it may still be sitting on the screen. Otherwise, just say new search, and then it comes up here. Now, if you've got a particular person, I'm going to put myself in here. You can just put the name in down here and do a search. So if you've got one person you want to do it with, then you can actually see here, here's the status, it's unconfirmed. And then managing the status is over here with edit. So in here, this is where we get access to the way we can easily send a confirmation email. If you haven't got that in the system, I'd highly recommend it, because a confirmed email sends from a higher platform, a server, from the sendability, deliverability versus unconfirmed email addresses. And this is due to the past history of the interwebs and people doing, spam marketing and just scraping emails from the web. So if you want to improve your deliverability, definitely always double opt in a person. And there are a few tips and strategies around that I have. So please reach out and book some time if you wish to discuss how you can work that into your flow. Then down here, we've got the manually opt out, which is, what you might need to do. If someone rings you and says, hey, please opt me out, then this is where you can click the default opt out and submit, and then they will be unsubscribed from your emails. Again, on that same note, I can click this send confirmation email. That has now come through to my inbox. I can click a link and I can confirm my email address. That is a process that you can actually do while you're on the phone with a contact. So anyway, hopefully that helps. This is how you manually opt out using Keap Pro. Thanks very much. It's Lindy McRae from Interweb Marketing, and we offer beautiful Keap training and support. So let us know what your ideas are so that we can help you plan it out and get the best results in the fastest, most efficient way. Thanks very much. Bye.